Michael Kalman, we're on. Okay, if you could tell our listener audience, I like that first. Oh, wherever you're seeing this, I always forget to say this, like the YouTube or TikTok or Twitter or wherever you're seeing this, like this and subscribe.
Whatever's hip.
Whatever's hip. And we'll answer your questions. We really do. So, Michael, tell everyone about the deal that just closed. We just closing a lot of deals right now, but
we're a little busy.
Yep. But tell everyone like the genesis of it and how it came in one way, and just walk everyone through what you just told me.
So we had a broker who has a deal. They have a client that needs $1 million quickly. They came to us with a 130,000 square foot industrial building that had a $2 million first mortgage on it. So the initial request was for $1 million second mortgage on an industrial building in Florida. Not the most exciting, not the most secure for our position. So we kind of went back and forth, and I asked to see other real estate for our sponsor and see if we could possibly be a first on something.
Can I back up?
Yes.
We do some seconds, but we're very careful. Seconds are very risky. We're very careful.
Well, we have to look. Our overall basis, we would be in this for about $3 million.
Yeah. No, I just want people to know.
Yeah. So I just was, I wanted to see if there was something else, something with that type of,
and I don't think there's anything
estate.
wrong with saying we're looking to be the most secure we can.
I did it, and listen, they appreciate that. And sure enough, Jack, they had a Wendy's and a 7-Eleven free and clear.
Okay. So let's focus on this now.
So back and forth, we were speaking to the client, speaking with the broker, and we ended up doing $1 million first mortgage on a triple net leased Wendy's in a beautiful part of Tennessee. And from the time we signed the term sheet and closed, it was about a week.
Excellent. Now, a couple things I want to also point out. No environmental, no appraisal. Internal valuation. This was pretty much an asset-based loan.
We got the lease.
We got the lease.
Yep.
We got the lease.
Insurance and title. Right?
Insurance and title. So very simple. The broker charge. I don't know what the broker charged, and wasn't this one the broker charged?
No, we actually we did negotiate. We lowered our fee by a quarter point. I'm proud we did. We had to make the deal work for everyone. The broker lowered the fee a little bit.
Okay.
But it was a good deal, and we wanted to help.
Is this? I hope I don't make a fool of myself, but is this the one where you told me the broker was trying for like a long time to get this to close and couldn't get it to close?
Over 60 days.
And he couldn't get it.
He was focusing on an industrial building because that's what the clients were so focused on getting a second on. They needed $1 million. We wanted to be safe. We have the capital. We did a first on the Wendy's.
Got it. So the bottom line is
they're very happy.
The borrower's happy. The broker's happy. They went 60 days with the broker. They came to us. You offered an alternative. Approximately a week from the time they wanted to move forward. Yeah. And by the way, in that week, there was a couple days they had an attorney who reviewed our documents. It probably could have been quicker, right?
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. But again, we don't feel we're rushed in that situation. We're ready to go.
But they needed the money quickly.
No, but that's our specialty. I mean, we were able to get everything done, very quickly in a timely manner. Everybody was, all on board with title and insurance and, all the special docs we needed. So
now I'd like to talk about something else. This is a beautiful property. It's leased to a great tenant, Wendy's. It's bank material. Yeah. The only reason the borrower came to us is because they needed the capital quickly. Banks are taking forever today, and a lot of them aren't doing deals. In fact, there was just an article, I read it yesterday, but I'm always a couple days behind on my Wall Street Journal, how banks are shrinking their balance sheets to improve their capital ratios, which means they're not lending and they're pushing deals off the books. So we're doing a lot of deals that are bank quality, but the banks won't do them, or the banks are taking forever. And with us, nothing is hassle-free in life, but it's as hassle-free as you can get, correct?
Yep.
A lot of deals like that. And with us, you're always dealing, I'm sorry for this shaking. I got to get a stick to hold it in my hand, literally. I'm so old I can't even hold the camera for a while.
But Jack, I think you say it so easily, and I'm going to say this for everybody watching. You, as a consumer, I'm going to take myself as a consumer. I don't ever get to speak to the owner of a company, and you get involved on every deal. So you are literally, yes, that's what I'm saying. You're on the front lines with me on every deal. It's not some big, huge, fancy company where all of a sudden there's no decision maker that we communicate with. they're talking to you, the owner, or myself who's communicating with you. So, an issue with this deal, Jack, when she went to a bank, you got 40 people trying to make a decision. And they could never make a decision. So they deal directly with us.
Okay, that's a good point. From when you heard about it, how quick did it take you to tell them yes?
Oh, well, so they came to me. The truth is, we worked together for 1 month. 3 weeks they wanted to work with the industrial building. After 1 day of me telling them what we could do for the Wendy's, it took about 5 days after that.
Okay, very quick, very quick.
Yep.
This happens every day at Gelt Financial. It's interesting. We're closing a deal tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. We got the deal in the door Monday morning. We'll make another video about it. It's going to be, God willing, a 4-day closing. And that happens a lot here. It really does. It really does. What else did I leave out? This deal came from a mortgage broker. Mortgage broker was happy, left us positive reviews.
Yes.
We love working with mortgage brokers. What else?
We'll have more videos. We got a lot of
We'll
stuff
have more
going on.
videos. Remember, like us, leave questions, and if we missed anything, leave a question, we'll answer it. Take care, have a great day.